Here's how to get your Airtel Esim QR code step by step in a way that's simple and beginner friendly. If your phone supports eSIM, this guide will help you activate it without any stress or confusion. First, make sure your device is actually compatible. Most newer iPhones and many high-end Android phones support eSIM, but it's always a good idea to check in your settings or on the official device support page just to be sure before you begin. Next, you'll need to send a text message to Airtel to start the activation request. Open your messaging app and type eSIM, followed by a space, then your email, like this: eSIM, your name at email.com. Send that message to 121. The email you enter must already be linked to your Airtel number. If it is, you'll quickly receive a response from 121 asking you to confirm the request. Just reply with 1 to continue. If your email isn't valid or isn't connected to your number, Airtel will let you know and guide you on how to update it. You may need to use the Airtel Thanks app or visit a nearby Airtel store to correct your details before trying again. After you confirm, Airtel will place a verification call, sometimes automated, sometimes from a representative, to get your final approval. If you miss this call or don't confirm in time, the request gets canceled and you'll have to restart the whole process. Once approved, Airtel will send an email to the address you provided. Inside that email, you'll find your unique eSIM QR code. Keep it secure and try to scan it as soon as you receive it, since the code may expire if not used promptly. To activate on iPhone, go to Settings, Mobile Data, then Add Data Plan. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, then SIMs or eSIM. The exact steps may differ slightly depending on your phone model, but the option will always be under Network Settings. After scanning, your eSIM usually takes around 2 hours to fully activate, and once it's done, you'll be ready to use your Airtel eSIM without needing a physical SIM card anymore.